Growing up by the seaside, seafood was abundant, and the mom often made a comforting mussel stew. Although mussels are available all year round, they are tastier in colder months between late October through February before they spawn. They are heavier, more flavorful, and rich in nutrients. Mussel porridge is good for rejuvenation, fatigue relief, anemia relief, especially helps women's back pain and the postpartum recovery. And I can go on, but I won't bore you with it. Check out other nutritional benefits from the link.